We all have that one hobby or passion we've been meaning to pursue, but for one reason or another, we never start. That is, until the unexpected forces us into action, which would normally come with uncertainty, but because we're agile, our goals are just as attainable. See, this is where we learn. This is where we scale. This is where growth begins, staying on our toes and ahead of schedule. Because when you're using a proven method, you'll learn when it's time to stay the course and when it's time to innovate, which doesn't replace the past, but rather, it builds upon it. So, what takes you from wishing you had time for your hobby to actually doing it? Simple. It's having a good process, well practiced.